I'm going to describe how to use the Template Picker module for Drupal 7. Template Picker is a module that allows content creators to decide the look and feel of their content by choosing between predefined templates that you, the developer, provide for them. Template Picker is available on Drupal.org at drupal.org/project/template picker. Here is the web page for Template Picker. You can see there's some basic instructions here, and there's the download link at the bottom. What I've done today is I've set up a Drupal 7 default installation, and it's pretty clean. It's just using the Bardic theme, which comes out of the box, and we're going to demonstrate how Template Picker works. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to enable the module, which has already been installed here. Scroll down to the bottom, and here it is, Template Picker, and we're going to click Save. Now, the first thing we're going to do is go look at the permissions by clicking People Permissions, and Template Picker is going to be down here at the bottom, and we can see that we've got permissions here that we can set. We can turn on Template Picker for any of the content types that our Drupal site is set up with, and we can provide the ability to pick templates to any different role. For now, we'll just leave it here for administrator, and we'll go ahead and we'll click Save Permissions. And we're going to use Template Picker to pick templates for articles on our site. So let's go back home, and we're going to take a look at this article here. So this is the article that comes with the default template in Drupal, which is node.tpl.php. And in order to provide additional options, we need to create new templates for this person. And if we take a look at this node edit page for this article and scroll to the bottom, we'll see that there's a new template picker tab here. We can click this, and we can see the template select box, but there's only the default option there. So let's create some new templates to populate this box with. Here we have the directory of our site, the Bardic theme, and in the templates folder we've got node.tpl.php. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to duplicate this file and rename it according to the Template Picker naming convention. Now, this convention is up on the project page on Drupal.org, but just to add it here quickly, it's node -- content type, which in our case is article -- TP, and then anything we want. In this case, I'm just going to put TP1 to increment this name here. And there it is. Now, the second thing we need to do is make this template different than the default node.tpl.php. So we're going to go ahead and open this. And in here, we're going to add simply a CSS parent class to this top div. Now, I've already written the CSS that will respond to this class, but the class will make this template a little bit different so we can tell the difference. So we're going to go ahead and click Save and close this file out. We'll go back to our site. First thing I need to do is clear the cache because we have a new file in our site. And now we'll go back to this node, we'll click Edit, scroll to the bottom, look at Template Picker, and we'll see that we have another option in our list, Node Article TP1. This is the new file we created. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select this option, and we're going to click Save and see that this article is using a new template. Alright. Clearly we have a new template here, and we've got a new look for this content. It's kind of overlaid on top of this image here. Looks pretty nice. Now, one more thing I want to show is how we can use clean names to make it easy for our content creators to know which templates they're picking. Now, clean names are provided by the Template Picker module, and we're just going to go to our file that we've created here, this node article tp1. We're going to open that up. And to add a clean name, it's really easy. We just add a line to the comments of this template, and the line goes like this. You just write template name, and then our clean name, which in our case I'm just going to call it overlay 1. I'm going to hit Command S to save, and then we're going to close out this file here. Finally, we'll go back to our article here and we'll click Edit, and we can come down here and we can notice already that the clean name is being provided here instead of the template file name. And last thing, I just want to show that this new template that we have for this piece of content is specific to this node only. If we go back to home and we look at some of these other articles here, we can see that they're still using the default template. So that's the basics of the template picker module. It empowers content creators by giving them control over the look and feel of their content in a very simple way. It simplifies development for themers and developers because all they have to do is drop new template files into the directory, and new options of look are provided. And right now it only supports node templates, but if there's interest we could add block templates or expand the module in other ways. So we'll just see how we go from there. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.